So here at WordSwing, we're pleased to introduce a new set of features for teachers. So in addition to your students being able to use all of the activities on WordSwing and play the games, there's also a new dashboard for the teacher. So the teacher can follow along and see how engaged are the students and what are they doing. So you can organize your students into classrooms, and for each classroom you can see the most recent activity of the students. And for example, here it's showing you what words are the most salient words they're looking up in the dictionary, how much time they've spent on WordSwing studying, or how much time they've spent playing the text adventure games, how many choices they've made in the games, how many words they've been looking up in the built-in dictionary, whether they've added words to custom word lists, so each student can make lists of words that they want to study using other activities in WordSwing, whether they're giving knowledge state ratings to words, so this allows students to track what they know. And for each student, you're able to see a card that provides all the stats in one place for that student. And you're also able to see the particular text adventure games that the student has played. So for Sophie, we're able to see that she won the game Murder in the Tea Room. She had a score of 135 points out of 140. And we can see the other games she played. She also won the game Escape. And she has a bunch of other attempts at games. If you want to see maybe where the student ran into problems, you can look at the transcript for the game and see how the game ended and what choices the student made leading up to that. And this might help you have ideas for things you might want to explain in class, or you could go through a student's transcript with them one-on-one, talking about choices they've made or particular vocabulary maybe they didn't understand, and so on. So we hope that you will find this new addition to WordSwing helpful for using WordSwing with your students and keeping tabs on how engaged they are and how much they are studying.